Welcome to the workshop of precision. Today we embark on a journey to recreate the legendary Bugatti Bolide at a 1:8 scale, starting with raw carbon fiber. Every line must be perfect. This material is the soul of speed, providing the ultimate strength-to-weight ratio that defines the extreme performance of this track-only hypercar. Precision cutting is essential. We are following the exact blueprints of the Bolide to ensure every panel of our miniature monocoque matches the original engineering specifications. The bonding process begins now. We apply high-grade epoxy resin to each layer, ensuring the fibers are fully saturated for maximum structural integrity once the curing is complete. Layer by layer, we build the foundation. The monocoque is the heart of the car's safety and rigidity, a complex shape that requires patient and steady hands. Vacuum sealing is a critical step. By removing every air bubble, we ensure the carbon fiber and resin fuse into a single flawless piece of high-tech composite. Inside the pressure chamber, heat and force work together. This industrial process mimics how real hypercar components are manufactured, resulting in a professional-grade finish for our model. The moment of truth arrives. We reveal the finished monocoque. The raw fabric has been transformed into a rock-solid, feather-light structure that is ready for the assembly. Look at that stunning finish. The depth of the carbon weave is mesmerizing, catching the light from every angle, promising the aesthetic excellence of a true Bugatti. Fine-tuning the details is where the magic happens. We sand down the edges and clear out the mounting points, preparing the frame for the incredible engine components. The skeleton of our beast is complete. Now, we move from the world of composites to the world of precision metal engineering for the heart of the car. Welcome to part 2, the heart of the beast. We are assembling a functional miniature W16 engine, featuring 16 independent pistons and a complex crankshaft system. The level of detail is staggering. Each piston receives its own set of rings to ensure compression, a testament to the extreme mechanical precision of this build. The crankshaft is the spine of the engine. It must rotate with zero friction to handle the high speeds we expect from this tiny yet powerful W16 powerhouse. Our engine block is carved from solid aluminum using CNC technology. This ensures that every cylinder bore is perfectly aligned for the pistons to move without any resistance. Inserting the pistons is a satisfying process. We are carefully matching each one to its cylinder, building the complex W configuration that Bugatti is world famous for achieving. Proper lubrication is key for any mechanical masterpiece. A few drops of high-performance oil will ensure that our miniature engine components stay protected during its initial runs. We secure the block with high-strength miniature bolts. The assembly is becoming rigid and heavy, feeling like a real piece of automotive jewelry in the palm of hands. The cylinder heads are next. We are installing the valve train components, ensuring that the breathing cycle of our W16 engine is as efficient as the real thing. A Bugatti isn't complete without its quad turbo system. These 4 miniature chargers will provide the forced induction needed to make this engine a true high-performance marvel. Listen to that whistle. The turbochargers are fully functional and spin up to incredible speeds, proving that our engineering goes far beyond just a static display model. We add the finishing touches to the electrical simulation. These wires represent the ignition system that fires the 16 cylinders in their precise, rhythmic firing order. The iconic French racing blue cover goes on. This is the visual signature of Bugatti power, and it fits perfectly over our mechanical sculpture, completing the look. The rotation is smooth and consistent. You can feel the compression and the mechanical harmony as the 16 pistons dance inside their aluminum home with perfect timing. Standing next to a battery, you can truly appreciate the scale. We have packed incredible complexity into a tiny space, staying true to the spirit of the Bolide. The engine is ready for its new home. We prepare the mounts on the carbon monocoque, ensuring a perfect marriage between the chassis and its powerful heart. Part 3 focuses on the suspension and drivetrain. We use a pushrod system, just like a Formula One car, to handle the extreme loads of the Bolide. These miniature red shocks are fully adjustable. They allow us to tune the ride height and damping, ensuring the car stays glued to the track at speed. The damping is perfect. Even at this small scale, the suspension geometry works flawlessly. absorbing bumps while maintaining the aggressive stance of this track-focused monster. Stopping power is as important as speed. We are crafting realistic carbon ceramic brake discs that look and feel like the ones used to stop the real Bolide. The blue calipers provide a beautiful pop of color behind the wheels. They are modeled with extreme accuracy, right down to the tiny bleed screws and mounting bolts. To put the power down, we need a robust AWD system. We are installing the front differential and drive shafts to ensure all four wheels receive power. The central drive shaft is also made of carbon fiber for weight savings. It connects our W16 engine to the rear wheels, completing the drivetrain loop. For the wheels, we use advanced 3D printing. The Bolide wheels feature a complex aerodynamic design that is nearly impossible to carve by hand at this scale. A coat of matte black paint gives the wheels their aggressive, stealthy look. This finish highlights the complex curves and cooling vents designed for the brakes. We wrap the rims in scale Michelin Pilot sport tires. The rubber compound is soft and grippy, providing the necessary traction for our high-speed test later on. The wheels are locked in place. Our Bolide is finally standing on its own four tires, marking a major milestone in this epic mechanical build project. In part 4, we focus on aerodynamics. We begin by installing the massive flat floor, which is essential for creating the downforce that keeps the car stable. The side pods are carefully aligned. These panels channel air into the cooling radiators for the W16 engine, and their fitment must be absolutely perfect for the look. The front end comes alive. With the nose installed, the Bolide's predatory stance is undeniable. Every vent and scoop is designed to slice through the air with efficiency. The rear diffuser is a work of art. These fins guide the air as it exits from under the car, minimizing drag and maximizing the ground effect. Now, for the high-tech part, we are installing a micro servo motor that will allow the rear wing to be controlled remotely, just like the real active aerodynamics. Precision linkages connect the motor to the wing. This system must be strong enough to withstand wind resistance, while being delicate enough for smooth, realistic movement. The active wing is alive. It rises into the high downforce position, ready to provide the stability needed for extreme cornering and braking maneuvers on the track. And back down it goes. In the real car, this reduces drag for top speed runs. Our model mimics this function perfectly, adding an incredible layer of realism. The X-shaped taillights are a Bolide trademark. We are custom building these using ultra bright micro LEDs to ensure they stand out even in the dark. Look at that glow. The lighting system adds a level of sophistication that brings the model to life, making it look like a real car in the night. The front headlights are equally impressive. These thin LED strips give the car its piercing gaze, illuminating the path ahead as we prepare for the final stages. The roof scoop is the final piece of the aero puzzle. It gives the car its iconic silhouette while serving a vital function for the engine's breathing. The doors are on hinges that allow for realistic opening. This provides a perfect view of the cockpit, which is our next focus for this incredibly detailed build. Quality control is paramount. We check every panel gap to ensure the exterior is as seamless and aerodynamic as the real-world masterpiece we are honoring. The exterior is complete. Our 1/8 scale Bolide looks absolutely ferocious. Now, let's step inside the cabin to finish the interior and the final electronics. Part 5, the interior. We start by shaping the racing bucket seats. These are designed to hold the driver firmly in place during extreme maneuvers. We use genuine blue Alcantara for the upholstery. This provides a luxurious yet functional finish that is synonymous with modern hypercars and high-end racing vehicles. The seats are installed. The contrast between the vibrant blue and the raw carbon fiber is striking, creating a cockpit environment that is both beautiful and purposeful. The futuristic steering yoke is next. It's packed with detail, including a simulated digital display that would provide the driver with all the critical telemetry data. We even wired the dashboard. The instrument cluster glows with light, adding another layer of immersion to this miniature world of high-speed engineering and luxury. Power for the electronics comes from a compact LiPo battery. This hidden power source will run the lights, the servos, and the engine vibration motors. Everything is tucked away neatly. The magnetic latch allows for quick battery swaps, ensuring we can keep the lights on during long filming sessions or displays. Now for the finishing touches. We apply the official decals. These small branding details are the final step in validating this model as a true Bugatti Bolide. A final cleaning is essential. We remove every speck of dust to ensure the camera captures the flawless finish of the carbon fiber and the precision of assembly. The polish brings out the true depth of the material. The car now shines with a brilliance that reflects the hundreds of hours of work we've invested. It is finally finished. A masterpiece of miniature engineering that bridges the gap between a model and a real machine. Now, it's time to see it move. Ladies and gentlemen, the 1/8 scale Bugatti Bolide. Every curve, every bolt, and every fiber has been painstakingly recreated to honor the pinnacle of automotive performance. From the front, the car's intent is clear. It's a predator of the track, designed for nothing but pure speed and uncompromising aerodynamic efficiency in every detail. The rear end is dominated by the massive wing and the iconic light signature. It's a view that most competitors would only see for a split second. It's time to bring the beast to life. With a single press of a button, the internal systems power up, preparing the W16 for action. The engine rumbles. We've included vibration motors to simulate the raw power of the W16, making the entire chassis shake with the anticipation of high-speed travel. Even the exhaust is simulated. The sight of the vapor exiting the quad exhaust tips completes the illusion of a fire-breathing hypercar ready to dominate the asphalt. And we have liftoff. The all-wheel drive system bites into the ground, propelling our miniature Bolide forward with a speed that is truly impressive for its size. On the straight, it's a bullet. The aerodynamics work in harmony to keep the car stable, proving that our engineering isn't just for show, it actually functions. The handling is sharp and responsive. Thanks to the pushrod suspension and low center of gravity, the Bolide carves through corners with the agility of a champion. Look at the active aero in action. As we hit the brakes, the wing flips up, acting as an air brake just like the real million-dollar hypercar. A perfect finish. Our 1/8 scale Bugatti Bolide has proven itself to be a true mechanical masterpiece, a labor of love and engineering excellence for all. Thank you for joining us on this incredible build. From raw carbon to a moving machine, this is the Bugatti Bolide. See you in the next project.